We bought a house and we're bringing you along with us. If you're new here, I'm Ellie, this is my partner Joe, and our forever pup, Pickle. If you've seen my channel before, you'll know I normally make crafts and DIY videos with the channel called NelliumCrafts, but we are rebranding to our new channel, Jelly and Pickle. This channel will now all be about making our forever home. I might still do some DIYs and crafts in between, but this is a new channel for all sorts of different videos. They may be room transformations, smaller DIYs, furniture flips, maybe some house vlogs, but mainly just making videos to document making this house into our home. We got the keys a few days ago, so I made sure to go through each and every room, taking lots of videos and photos, so we have all the documentation to look back on in a few years' time. For the past couple of days we've just been cleaning, making this house into a complete blank slate. Now the house has so much potential. It's going to need a lot of work and a lot of time and a lot of money, but we think we can make it into something incredible for us. But the main reason that we bought the house, because of this. This house comes with a plot of land. At the moment it's hard to see just how big it is, so this is going to be the biggest project for us to do. This is not going to be a quick project, so expect long-running series as we take you along with the clearing, updating and upgrading this house to make it our home. I plan to get a video out every couple of weeks with maybe a few update videos or random DIYs thrown in there in between. I'm making this channel mainly just for our memories so we can keep track of how far we've come. So I'm wanting to vlog and video and document as much of the process as we can. And if any of you want to see that progress too, make sure you subscribe to us, follow our new Instagram or our TikTok, and I'm always open to suggestions on DIYs or other projects that you want to see. Because like we said, this is a big project, so we're going to need as much help from you guys as we can too. I love hearing other people's opinions on how a project should go, or if an idea I've got is absolutely crazy. So I'd love for you all to comment and take part in any polls on my Instagram or YouTube that I do, and let's make this house the best it can be. Pickle!